Do you want big deck energy this summer, or are you looking for a cost-effective way to add some curb appeal to your home? Then you need to watch the next episode of Hey, South Carolina. Today we are here with John Luther, Squeaky Klean Window Experts. We are here to ask him about his locally owned and run business. Tell us a little bit about your business, John.
So our business specializes in window cleaning, pressure washing, and window tint application. What we do is we pressure wash homes, driveways, and clean windows on the interior and exterior.
Awesome. And how does maintaining your home like that help its value, your health, just items like that?
So basically, by cleaning your windows, obviously you're eliminating all the dust and contaminants from the inside of your home, which can give you a more hypoallergenic environment. And it helps with your HVAC system not having to work as much.
Okay.
Not only improves your curb appeal, but also boosts your resale value because you have records of routine maintenance for your home, and it just looks amazing.
Yeah, and I know here, like not mold, but mildew is really easy to build up.
Yeah, mildew and pollen are the two most difficult things that we deal with, but we are well equipped and we have handled it for years in the South Carolina area. We cover Florence, Darlington, Hartsville, Camden, Sumter, Manning, Myrtle Beach, and within a 100-mile radius of all that. So
awesome. And it's inside and outside work, right?
Yes. So the window clean, we do interior and exterior. We'll do your glass, your frames, your sills, and your screens. And we'll get it all looking brand new and squeaky clean.
Awesome. So what is your pricing structure or base pricing structure?
So houses within the area start at $199, and that's based per window. It goes up from there based on every window after 15. Your pressure washing and concrete cleaning is based off of square footage. We are always able to work in deals and discounts. So mention this video, we can also offer a 10% discount.
Awesome. Well, thank you for coming out today and telling us about your business. I will have his business card and information at the end of this video.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks. No matter if you're planning to sell and you want your deck, siding, or driveway power washed, or you're just looking to add window washing to your spring cleaning list, call John at 803-310-8362. And as always, keep me in mind for your real estate needs.